after a work injury, one of the questions that we get from people is, if I pursue this workers' compensation claim, am I going to lose my job? I'm sitting here with workers' compensation attorney at Speaks Law firm Chris Bell. Chris, when you get that question, how do you answer it for people?
So the most basic rule in North Carolina is that an employer can fire an employee for any reason and no reason at all. The exception to that, there are a couple of them, but one of them is you can't fire an employee for things that arise from a disability. Typically, when I see an employee get fired after a work injury, it's usually not because they filed a claim. Usually it's because the doctor says that you're too injured to do the job and that you can't do the work that you were doing. The idea is that if you're too injured to work, you're too injured to do your job, workers' comp provides benefits to you in that situation. The best way to avoid the loss of income that can come after an accident isn't to kind of bury your head in the sand and not file a claim. The best way to do it is to call an attorney who knows this process. Call us and let us talk you through what your options are, talk you through how to safeguard yourself against those potentially bad outcomes and make sure that you're getting the benefits that you're entitled to, and help make sure that if you do end up separating from your employer down the way, you're doing it in a controlled way that makes sure that your future is safeguarded.
Thank you, Chris. If you've been hurt at work and you have questions, call us and we'll be happy to answer them.